Hey everyone, I'm gonna walk you through the Ducati booth here at EICMA 2025. It's full, so let's see what we can see. Hold on. Okay, this is day 2 of the media and industry insiders, industry people, and in my 8 years I've never seen it this full. So bear with me, I'll do my best to go through and take a look at each bike. And bear with the sound, Ducati is usually blasting music, makes it a little bit difficult to hear. But with that being said, let's start checking out bikes. All right, we start off with the Multistrada V4 Rally. See if I can get a better picture of it over here. There we go. It's probably the best view of a bike I'll have all day here. This guy's rocking a big camera. Okay. What a beautiful bike. A lot going on in there. Okay, now we have, no problem. We have the Rally. Got a great display, very clear. All right, let's work our way over here. And we got the Pikes Peak for 33,000 euros. Brembo brakes.
Allora, noi andiamo a garage.
Looks like these guys are going to take this home. All right, now we got a V4S for 25,000 euro. Of course, we're in Milan, so this booth is very popular. Okay, let's see what the bikes over here are packed with people, so let's see if we can fight our way over here and see what's here. Scrambler, just a Scrambler. Looking like maybe this is just a place where someone can talk quieter, but there we go with a Scrambler. And then we have the night shift Scrambler at 12,690 euros. I don't know if you can see, yeah, this bike really changes colors with the light. And black laced wheels. All right, let's see what we can find next. A Diavel V4. $1,158 cc's of pure fun here. Can't quite see the display, but there it is. Feeling that exhaust coming out. Of course, this open swing arm. All right, then we have a red one at 29,000 euros. You can see the display a bit there. Okay, they have some proper race bikes. We can go through them here. Of course, the all-new Ducati off-road bikes. And just as you would expect with Ducati, they're very trick finished extremely well. All right, let's see if I can work my way over. Here we go. Panigale V4 R. It's only 235 horse. 315 kilometers an hour. I think pretty much none of us can handle that bike. And here we go with a Panigale V2. Okay, let's get back to the regular bikes here. We got the Panigale V4. A lot of girls liking these bikes. Streetfighter. Let me see if I can get on the other side of it here. Such an aggressive, awesome front end. Trying to get my way in here to get a good look at the bike and display. And then in yellow, the Streetfighter V4S. I got a question for you. Do you think a Ducati should be red? Like a Ferrari should be red? When I see them in other colors, you know, yellow or white, I'm not quite too sure about that. I think you have to have a red one. And here we go with the Panigale V2 MM93. Wow. Gorgeous. Very nice. Says it starts at 22,000 euro. And now we have a Panigale V2 FB63. Red and black camouflage look. Man, that's nice. Oleans. Just awesome fit and finish for like the seats. Display, of course, very nice. And here we got a Streetfighter V4. Sorry guys, it's hard to get a decent look at the bikes. Very nice. All right, let's see what we can find our way over here. There's a full exhaust system. Jeez. Only 10,000 euro for this. 9,048 euro for that complete exhaust. Jeez. Okay, here we go. Panigale. Let's see if I can get around here. All right, V4 R. Wow. Amazing. Look at the carbon fiber on the rotor. cooling. God, this thing. Look at that tank is just so beautiful. Unreal. Just beautiful fit and finish. Amazing. And we got a little Hypermotard 698, which I think is one of the most fun bikes and probably easy to lose your license and possibly go to jail. All right. And we got a Desert X, calling it a preview. And it's quite packed around here. I can't even get a little bit of room in here. Okay, here we go. All right, a Desert X preview, they're calling it. All right, work our way around a bit. Shoulder to shoulder with people. All right, good over the dirt bike section. Proper race bike here. Okay, here we go with the Enduro 450. They're calling this a preview also. But we can get a decent look at this bike. Very, very good fit and finish. Very nice. All right. And then we got a Motocross 450. And the other side of this race bike. That front suspension. Woo. Super nice. All right, now let's see what we can find our way into now. Monster Plus, it says. Okay, let's see if we can get a good look at it over here. Here we go. White Monster with some nice red wheels. Okay. We got a Hypermotard V4. A lot of people getting their picture with the bike. All right, let's see if I can find my way around here. Just a lot of people here. All right. I can't even get a close look at this one. All right, here we go. Hypermotard V4S for about 20,000 euros. Sorry. Okay, let's work our way around here. Another Monster, this time in red, with black wheels. And the last bike, another Monster that's pretty trick. Interview going on up here, but All right, guys, that's it for the Ducati booth. Thanks for sticking with me here. It is 11:30 on the second day, and you can see how full this booth is. One of the most popular booths that I've been at. I've gone through several other booths. You can find those in the playlist under EICMA 2025. Thanks again for taking the time to go through the booth with me. Take care.